Okay, we're going live on Match.com efforts. Here we go. Alright. Let's get out of there. Okay. We're browsing. Oh, it's POV. They're all the same. So, we got one here. Oh, face of a man. Body of a nobody. She's got long hair. That's feminine. Dark eyebrows. Picture of a girl's. Still looks like a guy with all the makeup. Ugh. Pass. Okay, let's get back there. This girl here is looking good. Oop, 76 years old. Wow, she looks like she's 50. And we got the blondie with the black and white picture. Not too bad. Black and white, not too bad. Chubby. A little bit chubby. I'd still hit it. Blondie. I like blondies. Break for blondes. I'll hit that later. Alrighty then. Let's go. Here's brunette. 59. Eli, 5'8". Look at them boobies on that girl. She's got some big ones. Wow. Pretty girl. What's wrong with her teeth? Look at them boobies. Got a foot alert. Oh, you can't zoom in. Can't zoom in on the old footies. OMG. Fix your teeth. Yeah. Ugh, gotta have good teeth, honey. Here's a dog. Picture of a dog. This girl never answers. Wow, pretty girl. Pretty dog. I don't want to compete against their dog. 5'8". She's from Davenport. 60 years old. Single. I want a relationship. Interested in men. Oh, she's an artesian. Doesn't smoke, doesn't drink, doesn't do drugs, is spiritual. Very ambitious. All kids are over 18. She enjoys a lot of stuff. 5'8". I like it. I think I'll like that. I think I'll write her. No, never mind. Hi, nice photos. You never answered before, but I'll try again. Alright, I gotta get off this thing. Enough wasting time.